Shoyu or Japanese soy sauce is the main ingredient in Japanese cuisine. Usually soy sauce is used to flavor food, for example, to give flavor to fish or meat. What if shoyu is made into ice cream? A shop in Ono District, Kazawa City, Ishikawa Prefecture, offers soy sauce ice cream. This shop actually sells various dishes with soy sauce. Visitors can also buy various shoyu products. This shop is part of the Yamato Soy sauce and Miso venture. Yamato Soy sauce and Miso is a shoyu factory that has been around since 1911. Uniquely, this place produces high-quality traditional fermented foods that still use ancient methods. So besides soy sauce, they also make miso to ponzu sauce, soy sauce and tamarind juice, and other sauces. The factory is in the Ono district. But there is a small shop in the Higashiyama district which is famous in Kanazawa as Kanazawa's Old Town. It is a residential neighborhood and is frequented by tourists because of its feel filled with traditional Japanese houses and car-free alleys. Several buildings in the area have now been renovated into shops, restaurants, and galleries. This area is also often referred to as Kyoto-like. Then how does soy sauce ice cream taste? Ishikawa itself is famous for being home to several farms as well as producing high-quality milk. The milk used as the base for this ice cream is very rich in taste, very creamy. This ice cream is a blend of vanilla ice cream with shoyu. There is a hint of sweetness with a distinctive shoyu aroma. Like the taste of caramel combined with the solid taste of milk. This soy sauce-flavored ice cream is processed into soft-serve ice cream. The price of this ice cream is 350 yen. Besides enjoying soy sauce-flavored ice cream, you can also buy various Yamato soy sauce and miso products. In fact, this place also sells a variety of soy sauce products that are halal certified. Thank you for watching this video and always keep health protocols. Greetings from the world of tourism.